Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. 7 ways to break new ground to supersize and grow your business. This month, January, it's always a new beginning, right? Beginning of a new year. It's always a new beginning. It's our first Monday of 2022. And our idiom, our expression today is to break new ground. What does it mean? It literally means to prepare by digging or do other work prior to building or planning. And later on, that in 1670s, that became a popular expression to break new ground. And then by 1709, that meant to dig. By 1709, it got its figurative meaning, which meant to execute a plan, to prepare to execute a plan, to get ready. So what are some ways to get ready to execute 2022, to execute our goals and plans and objectives for this year? Well, I was researching and found an article. I think this one that I stopped on was by Tony Robbins. And of course, Tony Robbins has a lot of innovative ideas. He's been a personal development trainer, NLP expert, and personal coach and business coach for decades. I think probably going on 5 decades now. And he had some ideas for us. And I think they're good ideas. Number one, he says, use innovation. We have to use innovation. We have to use marketing. We have to use differentiation. We have to use drive. We have to use leverage. We have to set ourselves apart from the competition in ways that they notice, in ways that the customers and the people we're trying to serve notice. We have to give back to the communities that we work and live in, or to the industries that we participate in. And we have to hire, and I loved this one, hire approachable and solution-oriented customer service people, so that the frontline people that are interacting, I'd say we should do it with our salespeople as well, interacting with our customers and the public and the people that we serve, have the ability to serve them well, right? So how do we be innovative? Well, we think about and we spend time on creative, innovative projects. We spend time on marketing. The other thing he said was to make sure that you have, and I love this one as well, to develop a social media campaign, a solid social media strategy. So you got to have a solid social media strategy. Now that one wouldn't have been on our list probably even a couple of years ago, but 2020 and 21 have proven to almost everyone in every industry that it's important to have an online presence, and that includes a social media campaign. That's not the entirety of our online presence, but it's a part of it. Social media is just a part of that. So I would be curious, how are you innovating this year? How are you breaking new ground? How are you moving forward on new projects, new developments, innovative, different things that set you apart and make you different from everyone else, that show that you are driving towards supersizing and growing your business? I would love to hear some of those things in the comments below. I've got a whole list of how we're breaking new ground for Supersize Your Business and in my other endeavors, but we do it specifically for each business. Anyway, that's our idiom for today, our new idiom for today. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another beginning of the year type January idiom. Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.